Welcome to the Department of Business Administration.
Welcome to the Department of Business Administration. The Department of Business Administration is the biggest academic department under School of Business of Northeast University, Bangladesh. The mission of the School of Business is to provide students the internationally comparable education at a reasonable low cost and to make them competent to meet up the future and present societal needs in trade, commerce, industry and public services. The Department of Business Administration is a very resourceful department because the department always maintains a very timely and updated curriculum, and the methods of teaching of the department is very modern and scientific. We teach our students not only through lecture, also through assignment, presentation, bibliography, quiz competition, case studies and also field visit. I feel honored and proud to mention one point that the graduates of business schools are doing very well in their profession and their employers are very much happy with their performance. Our present students can easily transfer their credits to any reputed university in the world. I would like to invite the potential students and their guardians to visit the Department of Business Administration of Northeast University, Bangladesh. Thank you very much for patience hearing.
Northeast University Bangladesh, education with innovation.